Welcome back, fourth grade. Today we are measuring capacity. Capacity is how much we can hold of something in a container. And the two units we're going to focus on today is liters, which we mark with a capital L, and milliliters, which we mark with a lowercase m and a capital L. If you want a visualization of what a liter of anything looks like, think of a bottle of smart water. If you want to imagine what a milliliter looks like, imagine just a few drops of liquid into a spoon. You could probably already imagine that milliliters is going to be our smaller unit. In fact, it takes 1,000 milliliters to make 1 liter. Milli is a clue that we're going to be converting in the thousands. Let's take a look at the conversions that you're going to be doing today on Seesaw. On your first slide, you're going to fill in the blanks with the equivalent capacity. So if it were my Seesaw, I would know that my conversions for milliliters is 1,000 milliliters to every liter. So I would write in my first blank that there is 1,000 milliliters. If I notice the ones place here matches the ones place in my thousands, that helps me know that however many liters I have, that's how many thousands of milliliters I have. So if this says 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, then 21 liters would be how many thousands of milliliters? The same works in reverse. If I'm going from milliliters to liters, that thousands place again is going to be really helpful for me. Except this time I'm going to a larger unit, which means I need less of them. Instead of tacking on 3 extra zeros in my thousands place, I'm going to get rid of those 3 zeros for 10 liters. I'll leave the rest for you to solve. On your second slide, you're going to compare these two measurements using your greater than, less than, or equal to symbols. What's helpful is if you make the units match each other. Now, to help you do that, it's going to be easiest if you turn everything into your smallest unit. And your smallest unit is milliliters. So for example, I have 2 liters here, and it's hard for me to compare it because my other unit is milliliters. So I'm going to change my 2 liters into 2,000 milliliters, which makes it a little easier to compare. I can now see that these two are the same numbers, and so I'm going to make them equal. I can do the same thing over here. I'm going to change this 1 liter into 1,000 milliliters. And again, it's really easy for me to compare. 15,000 is a much larger amount than 1,000. Therefore, it's greater than. Here's your job for your third slide. You're going to order these from your least amount to your greatest amount of capacity. Again, it might be easier for you if you change all of your conversions to milliliters before you drag them into the box. For example, I can change these 94 liters into 94,000 milliliters, which makes it really easy for me to see that this is likely going to be one of my largest units and should probably go towards the bottom of my box. I'll place that back for now, but I'll leave my conversion on the side as a note for you. Now it's your turn. Add a response and do these 3 tasks.